In this video, we are going to discuss about Ethernet technologies and cabling. So what is Ethernet technology? Ethernet technology in term used for a family of standards that define the network access layer of most common type of LAN. And you can also take Ethernet technology, or Ethernet is a link layer protocol in the TCP IP stack, so which transmit data or which make the data pass through the network in the same network segment. So in traditional Ethernet, you can see 10 Mbps of data can be transferred, but as the technology got advanced, so the fast Ethernet and the gigabit Ethernet has got or taken into place here. So the fast Ethernet transmits 100 Mbps of speed and gigabit transmits 1000 Mbps of speed. And you can see the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, is responsible for defining these various standards, since it took the process on it in 1980. And IEEE defined various standards of Ethernet protocols in the physical layer, while it divides the data link functions, and also the following sublayers are given to it. So what are the following sublayers? The following sublayers are the 802.3 media access control MAC sublayer, and the other sublayer is the 802.2 logical link control sublayer. So these two sublayers have been defined by IEEE in the data link functions, so that the data can be transmitted into the same network device or the same network segmented network devices very fast or very rapidly. You can see, even though various physical layer standards are different, the required changes to the layer, and each of them use the same kind of this header and this sublayer, so that the data transmission rate is very fast. As I discussed, the traditional carries 10 Mbps of speed, so that the fast interfaces and the gigabit interfaces will use much more Mbps, so that it can transfer the data in the same network segment. And about the cablings will be discussed in the next videos.